Hello, today we're gonna turn one ingredient with a slow cooker into 3 recipes. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Sarah, nutrition educator for UW-Madison Division of Extension Foodwise. I'm very excited to be here with you today where I'll be sharing recipes, tips, and a fun family activity that you can do quickly in your kitchen with your little ones. So this is a quick, simple activity you can do anytime that you're prepping in the kitchen. So what I have here is a cloth bag. You could also use a paper bag, and then any fresh fruit or vegetable that you can put inside there. So what we're gonna do, ask the kiddos, close your eyes. Close your eyes, keep them closed tight, no peeking. And then they're gonna put their hand in the bag. They're gonna feel, and we can ask them, is it hard? Is it soft? Is it squishy or fuzzy? And they're gonna give you some ideas. And then we're gonna ask them, okay, keep your eyes closed really tight, and then just smell. And maybe they'll have some guesses what it is. And then 1, 2, 3, we're gonna reveal what it is. It's a lime. So then we can talk about what color it is, that it's smooth, it's green, it's yellow. So this is an activity you can do quickly in your own kitchens with any type of fresh fruit or vegetable. It's a lot of fun. All right, so we are making easy slow cooker refried beans. All it takes is your slow cooker, 1 cup of beans. I'm gonna pour those in, 2 cups of water. And we always want to make sure that the water goes about 1 inch above the beans. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to put the cover on, turn it to low, set your timer for 6 to 8 hours, or you can also cook them overnight. All right, our beans are done. With these beans, you can make 3 easy meals. We have our tostadas. Our beans on toast. And our make-ahead burritos. So that was fun, but not only can you make those 3 easy meals, but you also get all 5 food groups from the My Plate. I hope you get to try these recipes at home. To know more, please check out our website and our Facebook page. Thanks everyone. Bye.